Not only is our government one of the downfalls of living in Canada, but so is our shipping. Like, come on. Pick it up a notch, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to Watsy's Welding, episode 3 of the Power Wheels build. It's going really good. Today I'm going to finish off the back half of the chassis, get some rear shocks mounted, and I'm just waiting on some parts. Hopefully we can move on to the front end. So when I built this rear forelink, I didn't want a lot of articulation because I don't want it flexing side to side too much because it'll be popping the chain off. So I used the bushings up top and eliminated a lot of that, made it really stiff from side to side, like we're only getting, inch and a half out of it maybe. But it has a really good up and down motion. It's really smooth, no binding. It should work out really good and we shouldn't be popping chains off all the time. So now I'm going to tie in some rear shocks. I picked these up off Amazon. They're just a cheap motorcycle shock. I think it cost me $250 for 4 of them. For this project they're going to do. They seem like they got a pretty good spring rate. They look cool. They have enough travel for what she's going to be doing with it. So I'm going to get on installing those. And there's another thing I was going for. I want it to be safe. This is for a 7-year-old girl. I don't want them getting hurt. I don't want them being scared of it. So with that being said, it is getting a full roll cage. With it having the full roll cage, it's going to give me lots of points. The tie in the back half of the chassis. We'll do some shock hoops. Pitter patter, let's get at her. I was thinking of changing the name to Watsy's tacking there for a few, but we got some welding to do here. So now, after welding some structural points on the chassis, I'm gonna bounce on it and see what kind of suspension travel we get out of it. So excited. Down. Side to side. Oh, that's awesome. That should work. Woohoo! That should work real good. Well, that is a wrap on the back half. So like I said at the beginning of the video, the shipping sucks in Canada. I've been waiting on a clutch for 2 months. I've been waiting on the front axle parts for about 2 weeks now. So it's going to kind of change the order of when I'm putting this thing together, but we're going to continue on. I want to keep making these videos for you. I'm having a lot of fun. It's looking really cool. So till next time, subscribe to my channel and more videos to come, guys.